Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on how to get Amanda Seyfried's natural look from the movie Dear John, which just came out on DVD a couple weeks ago, so if you want to learn how to do it, keep watching. Bye! Hey guys, okay, so I already put on my sunscreen, and now I'm going to prime with the Body Shop Skin Primer Moisturize It. I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to put it under my eyes, where I'm going to put concealer. I'm going to take it down my nose a little bit, tiny bit on my cheeks, and a little bit on my chin area, and on my forehead. I'm going to take Maybelline's Mineral Power Concealer, and I'm going to dot it here and here just to cover up my under eye circles. It's still going to look really natural though. I'm also going to take a little bit, put it on the corner of my nose. Okay, concealer's done. Now to prime my eye, just take a tiny bit of any kind of concealer that you have and put it on your lids just to even it out, act as a base. What I'm using for the eyelids is CoverGirl's Sheerly Nudes Quad. It's a really great palette. I love the consistency and the colors. They're really, really natural, just like her look. And give your eyes a nice glow, except for this color. This color doesn't show up at all. But the rest of the three are really good. So I'm going to start by taking a flat shader brush and this kind of peachy nude. You can't even tell they're different in this light, but they are. So this third one, the peachy nude, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Just really lightly, you don't want to pack it on there too much. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a highlight color, and this is Annabelle. It's a Canadian brand. It's just a really neutral matte whitish beige color, and I'm going to use a smudger brush, and I'm going to put that under my brows, just under, kind of highlight and kind of focus on where it arches, so the top of the arch right there. Her makeup is really, really matte, so we're going to keep it without a lot of shimmer or glow. But if you do take this neutral color, you can still use it as an inner eye highlight, just so it brightens up your eye a little bit. Okay, the next color we're going to take is this grayish light brown. She does have quite dark, defined eyes. So we're going to take it all over the crease. You can use a big fluffy brush for this if you want, like a tapered one, but I find that this one gives you more precision. So yeah, just wing it out so it forms kind of like a cat eye shape, but it's so light that it's not going to be scary at all. Then we're going to take a really thin brush, and we're going to take this grayish brown color, and we're going to use it as a liner. So just go really, really close to the lash line, about halfway down your eye, and just drag that gray color across and wing it out a bit. Make sure it's not too harsh. And then we're just going to go back in with that peach color and blend out any harsh lines that we might have in this area, so that the crease isn't so pronounced. Next mascara, I'm using Physicians Formula organic wear, and I'm just using it really lightly. You can also use a brown mascara if you want. Alright, now for cheeks, I'm just using this peachy pink color here. It's really nice and matte and natural. So I'm just going to get a tiny bit on my brush, smile, and dust it on the apples. Her blush in this look is really, really natural and kind of like a bronzy peach tone. I'm going to take my bronzer and just dab my brush in there and swipe it really lightly on top of the blush. Now I'm just going to take my face powder and I'm going to use this all over my face instead of a heavy kind of cover up. Okay, so now that we've set our face with this powder, just to get away any shine and to make sure that it looks nice and even and natural, we're going to do lips. So what I'm going to be using is Annabelle's Metallic Lip Liner in Hot Honey. It looks like this. It's a really, really pretty kind of neutral beigeish honeyed pinky color. So just put that all over your lips. Now that you've got that on your lips, we're just gonna kind of mellow it out a little bit, make it a little bit more pinky, and because it's a lip liner, it's kind of dry, so I'm using the Cream Sheen lipstick by MAC in Cream Cup. It's a really pretty neutral pink color. Any kind of nude pinky color will work. Revlon has one called Pink Pout, that'd be okay too. And just kind of dab it on top. Okay, so that's it for your face. You've got a really pretty neutral, natural look. And then what you're going to do with your hair from that picture is I blow dried it on cool setting till it was almost completely dry. Then I just took a little bit of Herbal Essence's Tussle Me Softly spray gel. I rubbed it between my hands and kind of massaged it through. And I also put a tiny, tiny, like, top of a pencil eraser amount of Got To Be Glossy Shine Serum, just to give it that shine. She has really, really pretty shiny hair. So yeah, I put it in a bun when it was kind of damp, so now I'm going to take it out. And just kind of finger comb it. And there you go. Don't brush it because it's going to get all poofy, but you've still got those really nice waves that she has in the movie. That's my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.